The cryptoverse is home to a myriad of projects employing P2P, peer-to-peer technology. But one such cryptocurrency, which is widely known and is popular amongst users, namely for food, its privacy-oriented features is Monero. And it is built on one of the most unique blockchains that make the transaction details anonymous. And this is done by disguising the address used by participants. Moreover, unlike Bitcoin, mining Monero does not require any additional high-end hardware and can be done on traditional computing devices. But what can we expect from Monero's price in the future? Will the XMR price reach $200 before December 2023 ends? Worry not. As we bring to you the XMR price prediction, 2023-2025, and the year would be most of the domestic. The Monero price has been seen trading in a consolidated range between $168.05 and $174.01, the start of the month, indicating a decline in the price action. Further, after multiple failed attempts, the bears overpowered the bulls and the price broke down. The price displayed a strong bearish influence over the market, resulting in the price testing its lower support level of $159. Since then, the price has displayed significant price volatility. The NACD level displays a constant green histogram, indicating the possibility of the price continuing to gain value in the coming time. Further, the histogram shows a rising average, suggesting a bullish influence in the market. If the bulls gain back power and manage to hold the price above the $168 mark, then a bullish moment will initiate, and the price will prepare itself to test the resistance level of $174.1 in the coming week. On the flip side, if the bears overpower the bulls, then the price will lose momentum and break down its support level of $168.5 and test the level of $162.5. Moreover, if the market fails to gain momentum, then the Monero price will continue to dip and test its support level of 159.2. Following the golden cross, Monero price has displayed massive price volatility. This year is crucial for Monero, as it could potentially create a new ATH in the coming bull run, and the MACD displays a bearish move trend in its chart, indicating a possibility of a massive price action in the coming time. Further, the chart shows a possibility of a bullish convergence, which could result in the price experience a strong trend reversal soon. With growing concerns of privacy and security amongst investors, the network would host newer investors, which could help the company. Monero price could surge to $213,541 by the end of the year. Monero could find some stiff competition amongst rivals and emerging protocols in the industry, which could limit the price to its potential low of $148 and $362. The yearn for privacy and security will only rise higher in the coming years. And Monero, being an ace player in it, will find numerous buyers over the course of time. On the other hand, 2024 also marks the year of Bitcoin's halving event. This could also propel altcoins to greater heights, and XMR could steal a pie. In such a case, the XMR price might propel to a maximum of $307.675 for us by the end of 2024. Conversely, factors like soaring inflation numbers and regulatory clampdowns could haul the price to $217.741. That said, an equilibrium in buying and selling pressures could land the altcoin at $262 and $1,600. XMR might surge effectively in the coming years, but the bearish trends may also haunt the price accordingly. Despite the huge bullish momentum, the price may tend to witness a drop and may trend within $294.86. However, some bullish trends may not be ignored, and eventually the price may trade above $416.824 by 2025.
Considering the bullish and bearish targets, the regular price might occur at 355.844.
According to forecast prices and technical analysis, Monero's price is projected to reach a minimum of 378.217 in 2026. The maximum price could hit 518.949, with an access to the price around 448.583. Looking forward to 2027, XMR's price is expected to reach a low of $462 and 591.59, with the heel of 624.356. At an average forecast price of $543,400. In 2028, the price of a single Monero is anticipated to reach a minimum of $543,202 and the maximum of $729.314, and an average price of $636,258. And by 2029, XMR's price is predicted to reach a minimum of $624 and $395, with the potential to hit a maximum of $831.263 and an average of $727. In 2030, Monero is predicted to touch its lowest price at $707.434, hitting a high of $962.141 and an average price of $834.787. We've made a table that includes the possible price prediction for the same token made by other crypto analysts on their respective platforms. The targets mentioned above are the average targets set by the respective firms. It's still opaque to find who are the real founders of Monero. The crypto fraternity firmly believes there are a total of 7 key members involved in launching platform, who decided to remain anonymous. As per speculations, Bitcoin founder Satoshi Nakamoto is one of those 7 members who holds a key role in the platform. Monero was launched on Bitcoin Talk as BitMonero in 2014, then renamed Monero. The initial months were challenging for the platform. It had also recovered from a spam attack in September 2014. Whilst in the same year, the platform became successful in publishing research lab papers 1, 2, and 3. The platform aims to launch second-layer solutions of speed and scalability in the years to come. Monero is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that was launched in 2014. This blockchain forms an underlying technology behind digital currencies and acts as the public ledger of participants that showcases represents all the transactions on the network. And the unique part of the Monero blockchain is that it can be mined using minimum hardware with the domestic CPUs, unlike Bitcoin, wherein a huge hardware setup is required to mine. And hence the consumption of energy remains relatively low. And the native token of Monero is XMR, which initiated trade in the mid of 2014. The founders of Monero decided to remain anonymous. Moreover, according to some rumors, Satoshi Nakamoto, who is the inventor of Bitcoin, is also the creator of XMR. Following the Monero price release, the coin surged above $1 for the first time in August. By September, the price surpassed the $10 mark. Following oscillations, the year was terminated at $10. The price at the beginning of 2017 was around $12, which surged to reach $132 by September. The digital token declined below $100 by November. By the end of December, the price hit a peak at $461 and closed the trade for the year with a slight pullback at $334. The price reached its highest ever level, forming ATH at $495.84. On 7th January mid-2018, the price fell below $100 in August. The XMR price concluded the addition utility in May 4. In January 2019, Monero was valued at about $46, and by mid-June it peaked at around $120. The price fell close to $50 by the end of November, and by December, the Monero settled at around $45. The price witnessed a steady growth till the mid of February 2020, and also fell close to $35 by mid-March. Further, the price rose steadily and surpassed $100 by the end of August and closed the early trade at $159. The price had crossed $160 by the mid of January 2021, and by April, the price crossed the $300 mark in managing an uptrend. The price hit an ATH of $517.62 on the 5th of May. The Chinese market crisis on May 19th resulted in Monero undergoing a steep fall to $192 today. Following rejections, XMR managed to hit $338.63 in July, but aggravating bearish trends led to Q3's closure at $250.44. XMR was seen ranging sideways for the majority of the time in Q4. Howbeit, the price took a downswing, which led to the annual closure at $223.98. And the year of 2022 was mostly bearish, as the industry experienced multiple bankruptcies and company crashes, which led to the Monero price conclude the year at $146.01. Yes, Monero is definitely a good investment option, as it may reach a trade-in value of $213 and $541 by the end of 2023. Monero is a privacy-oriented crypto that is untraceable. As per our Monero price prediction, the XMR price might surge as high as $416.25 by the end of 2025. With a potential surge, the price could go as high as $962.141 by the end of 2030. A single block of Monero requires approximately 2 minutes to mine. Hence, nearly 720 blocks can be mined in a day. Yes, you can mine XMR on your laptop or Android phone using the right app. At the time of publishing, the price of one XMR was $168.